Today, we step into Germany, into Berlin, to see how the city looked before and how it stands today, shaped by World War II. During World War II, the Reichstag in Berlin stood broken, surrounded by ruins, silent streets, and heavy damage. Collapsed walls and empty space reflected a tragic period of destruction. Today, in 2025, the same place appears calm and restored, with glass domes, passing visitors, and steady daily life. During the conflict, air attacks and fighting turned the Reichstag into a symbol of national collapse. When the war ended, the structure remained damaged and uncertain, standing unused for years within a wounded city. Now, the Reichstag serves a rebuilt Germany, active in a peaceful Berlin, and connected to modern civic life. Time reshaped this place, turning destruction into memory, and reminding us that resilience quietly endures. During World War II, the Kaiser Wilhelm Memorial Church in Berlin stood shattered, surrounded by ruins, abandoned streets, and deep silence. Broken stone, open skies, and heavy damage marked a tragic period. In 2025, the same site feels calm. Modern buildings rise nearby, lights glow softly, and daily life moves peacefully around the remains. During the conflict, air attacks caused severe destruction, leaving the church partially collapsed and deeply scarred. When the war ended, the ruin remained untouched, symbolizing suffering, uncertainty, and a city slowly finding its footing again. Today, the preserved ruins stand beside rebuilt structures, woven into an active Berlin. Time transformed loss into memory, reminding us that resilience can coexist with remembrance. In the 1940s, the Brandenburg Gate stands amid rubble and smoke, a silent witness to heavy damage, air attacks, and a city strained by a tragic global conflict. In 2025, the same landmark rises open and restored, surrounded by visitors and calm avenues, reflecting a modern Berlin shaped by peace and shared memory. During World War II, Berlin endured sustained air attacks, and the Brandenburg Gate suffered destruction as national symbols were caught in prolonged conflict. When the fighting ended, the area fell quiet, marked by ruins, division, and years of rebuilding, as the city processed loss and suffering. Carefully preserved, the Brandenburg Gate now represents unity and recovery. Standing at the heart of a city rebuilt through cooperation, it reminds us how places heal and responsibility endures. Potsdamer Platz, Berlin, during World War II, stands shattered, streets torn apart by air attacks, buildings reduced to ruins, smoke drifting through a once busy crossroads. In 2025, the same square rises bright and orderly, glass towers, transit lines, and steady movement replacing silence. This area faced heavy damage as Berlin became a central target during prolonged conflict, leaving homes, culture, and daily life broken. The aftermath brought emptiness, divided land, and years of stillness, where foundations remained but purpose was lost. Modern Potsdamer Platz reflects rebuilding unity and thoughtful design, shaped by lessons from a tragic period. This transformation reminds us how cities endure, change, and quietly carry history forward without forgetting the suffering that shaped them. Over generations together, smoke drifts over Tempelhof Airport as runways crack, hangars collapse, and Berlin endures heavy damage during a tragic period of global conflict. In 2025, the same airfield is open and quiet, wide lawns stretching where aircraft once stood, framed by a changed city. During World War II, Tempelhof served as a vital airfield, targeted by air attacks as Germany's infrastructure faced relentless pressure. The aftermath left destruction, shattered buildings, shortages, and long months of suffering across Berlin's silent streets. Restored and preserved, Tempelhof Airport now welcomes people for reflection, culture, and open space, symbolizing recovery. This place reminds us how landscapes endure history and how peace grows from ground. As this journey through Germany and Berlin comes to an end, the contrast between past and present stays with us. If you want to explore more stories like this, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us as we continue uncovering history, one city at a time.